Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Viewers, today I am going to share with you cherry tomatoes face scrub. This is winter season special face scrub. Cherry tomatoes are packed with vitamin C, antioxidant and lycopene. Lycopene helps to protect our skin from sunblock. Take some cherry tomatoes and smash with potato masher like this. You can easily smash it because these are soft and small in size. To this I am going to add some honey. Honey helps to moisturize skin tone, but if you have oily skin you can replace honey with lemon juice. Add few drops of honey. To make effective face scrub I am going to add orange peel powder. This is homemade orange peel powder. In my channel I have uploaded many videos how to make fine orange peel powder at home. Add a teaspoon orange peel powder. Orange peel powder is rich with vitamin C and antioxidant which improves the blood circulation of our skin. Next, I am going to add aloe vera gel. I had taken ready-made aloe vera gel. You can replace it with fresh aloe vera gel. To this add half teaspoon aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel helps to prevent sunburn and skin irritation. Also it helps to make your skin more elastic and less wrinkled. Finally, just while combine all these ingredients, mix well. Apply this face scrub on your face and scrub in upward direction and circular motion. After 10 minutes, wash your face with cold water. Your skin will be glowing, radiant and instant bright. Apply twice in a week. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.